welcome back to our channel. You can look us on TV or on the couch on TV and on your iPad or your phone, because we do a lot of videos we do a lot of videos on plants and art.
Yeah. Welcome to our channel. Now I want to show you guys what the results.
Subscribe in the end for we can give us a thumbs up and our videos right there.
Yeah. Join our channel so you can see what's going on and how we're gonna show you what to do. The succulents, we love succulents, and we are doing some planting. We bought this and we have a video that shows how to do this.
Well, we're gonna put more in this one.
Yeah, we're gonna be putting more, so pick the plants that you want to use. We have a bunch of cuttings from succulents and they have already dried out. You want to make sure that you let them dry for at least 5 days before you plant them, so they calluses the ends and they don't rot. So that's the little guy. That's for my grandson is figuring it out what color. You want to make sure you have some blues and some different colors all together, and don't forget that we have all those here too that you can use. And that's a beautiful blue one that you have.
We got white rocks. And we're gonna do this one. You know we already have one, but we're gonna do two in these.
So I want to get one of these because I love these guys.
Me too.
And I'm gonna put that as the center.
So I got
and you have to be very gentle.
I want this one guy. I want this little guy.
Oh, that's a cute one. Now, when you're doing a plant together, sorry, I got too close. You want to check and see what plants are going to grow, how they're going to look after they grow. These two ones in here, this one and that one will grow taller. So this is going to be shorter. So you want to mix them all. And you want to put this in the front so the taller one stays on the back. So you can put that one in the back there. And I want to have some of these.
See, the leaves came off really easy, and it came off.
When it comes off, what do? You save it and plant it.
Off easily. We put it here.
And you make a little baby plant from the leaves. See, these are all the cuttings that we have. And we have let them dry, so they are drying out.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to have a little bit bigger one, like that. Okay, that's the one. And I want to have one more like that one in here. And the back, I'm going to have all those. Sometimes I like the numbers 3. When these guys get on the sun, they look yellowish with a little pink. And I'll show them close to the camera.
Like this one, I will show you a little. It's like when I see the camera.
Wait a second.
Can I hold the camera?
Yes, you can, but you have to hold slowly.
Okay. Okay, I'll hold it. Okay, you see this? This is like a little close.
You need to move a little bit farther away so it focuses. There you go.
It's like plant and it's like a leaf.
Yep.
Can I hold it?
But you can't move fast, because if you move too fast, we're gonna get dizzy. Oh, okay. Slowly. Then you show them. Show them the flowers.
Okay,
So
guys.
this is how it turned out. The next thing we do, we put, what do we put on that? You tell me.
Next thing we put like, I don't know which, I don't remember.
It's water. You put water so you can't shake too much, love. Okay,
So,
then we put water in them. So why do we put water on them? You tell me.
Yeah, because for they can grow. Okay, now I'm going to get the water.
And then you can put some pebbles around them where you see them. You want to get the pebbles. You want to open that. And then you just grab a couple.
Okay.
Oops.
Grab a couple.
The pebbles make the water not evaporate as fast, and it gives a little look. So you have to get the little pebbles and just put around them. Careful with the leaves so you don't damage the leaves. The leaves is the most important part for the succulents because that's how they breathe. So you just go and put a bunch of little pebbles around. Sometimes you
Oh,
can
can I
just
use
pour.
this one?
No, we are done with these because those ones need to get a little baby. So we'll put them on somewhere else, okay?
Oh, these need to get a baby?
Yes, they do. They need to root. Once they root, then they will give you little babies. So this is how you put a little pebbles all the way around. So
Let's do it very careful with that little one because we're going to do this last because it has the little space.
So we'll make this video not too long, so we're gonna end the video with a thanks for joining us.
Give us a thumbs up, and our video's up there already. Told you, and you can watch it every day if you want to, and subscribe down below. Give us a thumbs up.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.